One, two.
Hello everyone, I am Saloni Sharma, one of the faculty here. We will be discussing about the UG CUT in political science. We have the syllabus over here. So the syllabus is all class 12 political science based. जिसमें पेपर में 50 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे और 40 नीड्स टू बी अटेम्प्टेड. Now let's see political science in India since independence. So all of this is covered in NCERT only. The era of one party dominance. इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे the first three general elections, nature of Congress, dominance at the national level, uneven dominance at the state level, coalition nature of the Congress and the major opposition parties. इसमें basically आएगा आपका पूरा नेहरूवियन era. नेक्स्ट आएगा नेशन बिल्डिंग एंड इट्स प्रॉब्लम. नेहरू जी की क्या अप्रोच थी इन नेशन बिल्डिंग. सो इसमें वील कवर अबाउट द इंडियाज अप्रोच दैट इज नीडेड. पंचायती राज सिस्टम दैट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन नागौर एंड नेहरू जी यूज्ड टू फोकस ऑन द लिबर्टी लिबरलाइजेशन. तो एंड ही यूज्ड टू अप्रिशिएट मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल अबाउट द pressure groups. Then we'll go towards the politics of planned development. 5-year plans, expansion of state sector, the rise of new economic interest, famine and suspension of 5-year plans, green revolution and its political fallouts. So basically इसमें as जैसे green revolution आ गया तो green revolution was started by M.S. Swaminathan. तो in that we used all sorts of fertilizers जिसमें हमारा import काफी ज्यादा कम हुआ. But nowadays we are moving from inorganic farming to the organic farming. India's external relation, Nehru's foreign policy, Sino-Indian War of 1962, Indo-Pak War of 1965 and 1971, India's nuclear program and shifting alliances in world politics. So इसमें हम आपने इंडियाज के न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम में मूवी आई थी ना पोखरन, गो एंड वॉच इट. सो इसमें आएगा अबाउट द न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम में अबाउट द पोखरन इन 1970s के बाद जो न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम लाया गया था. चैलेंज टू एंड रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस सिस्टम, पॉलिटिकल सक्सेशन आफ्टर नेहरू, नॉन कांग्रेसिज्म एंड इलेक्टोरल अपसेट ऑफ 1967, कांग्रेस स्प्लिट एंड रिकॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, कांग्रेस विक्ट्री इन 1971 elections and politics of गरीबी हटाओ. So here we'll think about हमारा आएगा 42nd and 44 Amendment Act and 42nd Amendment Act is even known as mini constitution. ये जब हम पढ़ेंगे ना that will be discussed in detail. Crisis of constitutional order, search for committed bureaucracy and judiciary, Navnirman movement in Gujarat, the Bihar movement, emergency, constitutional and extra constitutional dimension, resistance to emergency, 1977 elections and the formation of the Janata Party, rise of civil liberties and organization. In this committed bureaucracy, first of all we'll see कि in India it's a committed bureaucracy. In foreign lands like in US it's not a committed bureaucracy that follows, it's more of a federal one. So as the president is elected he forms the new bureaucracy every time. बट हमारे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं होता. हमारे यहाँ इट्स ओनली दी ब्यूरोक्रेसी इम्प्लीमेंट करती है ऑल दी स्कीम्स जितने भी पॉलिटिकली डिसाइड होता है एंड इट स्टेज फॉर एवर. मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक इट डजंट चेंज इटसेल्फ इन एवरी 3 years or so. Second is seventh is regional aspiration and conflict, rise of regional parties, Punjab crisis and the anti-Sikh riots of 1984, the Kashmir situation, challenges and response in the northeast. So in this one, first of all your homework is to look around in your state which are the regional parties in your region. Okay. 8th is rise of new social movements, farmers movement, women's movement, environment and the development affected, people's movement, implementation of Mandal Commission reports and its aftermath. In Mandal Commission report, if you remember, it's more about the reservation of OBCs and hence the uprising of it and how the recommendation happened and implement कैसे हुआ, वो act में कैसे form हुआ. Moreover, in farmers movement and in women's movement, you can name at least, it's your homework, at least name two each for these two. Farmers movement and women's movement. Ninth is democratic upsurge and coalition politics. Participatory upsurge in 1990s, rise of JD and BJP, the increasing role of regional parties and coalition politics, election of 2004 and UPA government. So, in participatory upsurge in 1990s, in the rise of JD. So, first of all, in this one, increasing role of, if you go down the lane or down the memory lane of a history, you can see the coalition politics that has been formed in 2000 and how BJP came in the role. Okay. And in names of regional parties, you can name Shiv Sena, BSP, JDU, AIADMK, अपनी state का वही regional parties वाला homework. 10th is recent issues and challenges. Challenge of and response to globalization. New economic policy and its opposition, rise of OBCs in North Indian politics. This is after the Mandal Commission का जब recommendation आया था, how there was a rise in these North Indian politics को उसने कैसे change किया था. Dalit politics in the electoral and non-electoral area, change of communalism, Ayodhya dispute, जिसका अयोध्या का भी वो बाबरी मस्जिद केस भी हुआ था. This happened in 1992. Gujarat riots happened in 2002. And if there is any, you can name that. And Citizenship Act was also one of the communal challenges that happened recently before COVID period. So that's all we'll cover. This was a part 1 in politics in